How to fix Kerbal Space Program 2 Borderless window mode not working issue. To fix Kerbal Space Program 2 Borderless window mode not working issue, you need to add pop-up window into Kerbal Space Program 2's launch options in Steam. Like this. FYI, Steam. Launch options are a set of parameters that can be added to the launch command of a game in Steam to customize the way it runs. These options can be used to modify various settings related to graphics, performance, compatibility, and more. Here are some examples of what Steam launch options can do. 1. Change game resolution. You can use the W and H options followed by the desired width and height in pixels to set the game's resolution. 2. Disable full screen mode. You can use the windowed option to run the game in windowed mode instead of full screen. 3. Adjust graphics settings. You can use various options such as high, low, or NVIDIA to adjust graphics settings or remove certain effects. 4. Disable startup videos. You can use the NVIDIA option to skip the startup videos and get directly into the game. 5. Modify game launch parameters. You can use options such as dev, console, or XLevel to modify game launch parameters and enable developer console, debugging mode, or specific DXX versions. 6. Fix compatibility issues. You can use options such as NoJoy, 32-bit, or ForceD3D9 to fix compatibility issues with certain hardware or operating systems. Steam launch options can be accessed by right-clicking on the game in your Steam library, selecting Properties, and then clicking on Set Launch Options. It's important to note that these options should be used with caution, as they can potentially cause issues if not used correctly.